Hello everyone, I just got my new iPhone, so I might as well just do a video review for this newly purchased portable AC unit from AOXUN. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a very basic one. As you can see, you have a mode selector right here. There's dehumidifier, fan only, and then cooling AC. And then you have timer and up and down for temperature control, and this is the fan speed. And then swing, you know what I mean. And there is no sleeping mode or sleep mode. I actually don't believe in those kind of a sleeping mode or sleep mode for all the ACs, because there is no way AC can work quietly. Anyway, so the exhaust is provided, and also you have the window board or the or whatever you call it. All you have to do is just have to slide it in, and it will secure it in place. And there's one thing that the manual didn't mention, that is the drain. The drainage is needed because your AC might have some water, so you probably want to place the drainage right here. Oh well, the water is very minimal based on my experience. And then let me turn it on and see how loud that is. And this is the cooling mode, and the fan speed is at normal speed. Well, it sounds like an AC. And then that's another mode. I think that's the high-speed mode for fan. The difference is very minimal. Anyway, based on my experience, right now the room temperature is about 79, and I set this to 73. After like two hour and a half, this will cool this room all the way to 73. And my room is about 300. So, well, I guess that's it. That's all for today's review. Well, thanks for watching.
Hi everybody. I recently bought this new AOXUN mini air conditioner. It's great for a single room. It's an AC, not one of those units that just blows fan and sprays cool mist water. This is an actual air conditioner. It comes with a venting kit, as you can tell from the back. It has a tube that goes outside the door, has a window mount, so it pumps the hot air that's generated outside, and then the air that comes in here is super cool, just like an air conditioner. The unit comes just like this, no actual assembly required. The only thing I had to put in insulation wise was this tube, and then mounting it to the window. So it's super easy. And this actual tubing for water drainage that we put to a bottle, but no water seems to be coming out of it. So control wise, it's very simple. There's power, different cooling modes. You can actually turn the AC off and just use it as a fan. And then timer to turn it on or off, different temperature settings up or down, different wind fan speed, and it swings around to simulate natural air moving around. So it's a great little unit. My son's room is particularly hot, especially in the summer. It's under the sun all day long. It's in the corner of the house upstairs in the second level, and it's hard to keep it cool with a central air system. So this is great because we can use this unit to keep his room down and not have the central air AC cool the whole house. It's wonderful. He loves it, and he can control his own temperature within his room. So great item, awesome buy. Check it out.